Just look at those juicy golden brown baked chicken thighs, crispy on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll show you how to use the delicious juices the chicken releases. Don't throw them out. Let's get into the recipe. Here is everything you will need. The full list of the ingredients is on my website, along with detailed step-by-step instructions, so be sure to check that out. We are starting off with chicken thighs. Take them out of the fridge and let them come to room temperature. This helps them cook evenly and gives you juicy results. While the chicken is resting, let's mix our seasoning. In a small bowl, combine garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dried oregano, thyme, sea salt, and black pepper. It's a simple blend, but it packs serious flavor. Do not skip of any of those ingredients. Now pat the chicken thighs dry using a paper towel. This helps the skin crisp up beautifully. Drizzle on some cooking oil, then massage it in. I love using a glove, but you can as well use your hands or even close the container you're using and shake it for everything to mix. After that, rub in about 3/4 of your spice mix. Make sure to coat each piece generously. Use the remaining quarter of your spice blend to get under the skin. This adds so much flavor right where it counts. Make sure to get the top of the skin too for that extra kick. Allow the chicken thighs to marinate for about 30 minutes on the least, but you can do this for even over 24 hours, just to make sure the flavor gets into the chicken thighs. Close your lid, put it in the refrigerator, and let it marinate. Once it is well marinated, place the thighs on a baking rack, and don't forget to line the tray with either parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. This will catch all the drippings and save you a messy oven cleanup later. Now bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. You want them fully cooked and golden on the outside. Once they are out of the oven, let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This locks in the juices and gives you super tender meat. Garnish with fresh chives, cilantro or parsley if you'd like. Totally optional, but adds a lovely freshness. Now, remember the juices we caught in that tray? Don't toss them. This flavorful liquid gold is perfect for drizzling over the chicken or even using as a base for gravy or a quick pan sauce. You can reduce it slightly in a pan or use it as it is. It's packed with seasoning and natural chicken flavor. You can as well use it in any of your stews when you're cooking or even potatoes. And that's it. Crispy, juicy, perfectly seasoned chicken thighs. Easy to make and packed with flavor. Plus, we made the most of every bit, even the drippings. I'm curious to know, what would you serve these chicken thighs with? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you love these recipes, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious meals. You'll find the full recipe with all the details on the website, link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.